Long road, dust on my worn out shoes. Every hard night left me bruised. I learned the truth the hard way through. Nothing strong is born brand new. Hold the line, feel it start. Quiet fire in the heart. I am built to stand my ground when the world tries to knock me down. Still I breathe, I still believe I am more than what I see. Heavy clouds, but I walk straight. Every step rewrites my fate. I do not need a louder voice. I rise up by my choice. Hear that sound inside my chest. That strength I did not guess. I am built to stand my ground when the world tries to knock me down. Still I breathe, I still believe I am more than what I see. Slow burn light in a darkened room. I grow stronger in the gloom. No applause, no borrowed crown. I hold my worth, I hold it down. I am built to stand my ground. Roots run deep, I will not drown. Still I breathe, I still believe this hard road is building me. Guitar low, drum steady strong. I am here, I move on. I am built to stand my ground when the world tries to knock me down. Still I breathe, I still believe I am more than what I see. I am more than what I see. I walk through smoke like I belong there. Floorboard shaking when I arrive. No loud threats, just a cold stare. That's how you know who's alive. They push, I push back. No retreat, no crack. I don't kneel, I don't bow, I don't ask for a way out. Every wall falls down somehow. I don't built from pain. I don't run, I remain. I don't kneel, I don't bow, I don't ask for a way out. Every wall falls down somehow. I don't need. Look at me now. Let the night test my spine. I was born for the grind. If the crown cuts my skin, that just proves it was mine. I don't kneel, I don't break, I don't shake under the weight. Hear the ground when I step down. I don't kneel, I take the ground. Still upright, still in control. Midnight breathing on a broken street, smoke in my lungs and dust on my feet. Every scar got a story to tell. I learned to stand when I learned to fall. Hear my heart hit like a drum in the dark. I bend but I never break apart. There is a silent fire inside my chest, burning slow, but it will not rest. I carry pain like a loaded stone. Still I rise, I stand alone.